Father, my name is Lieberman. Max Lieberman.
Is this some sort of trick?
Dr. Lieberman was sent here under the supervision of the Leopoldstadt police.
Thank you. Brother, you vouched for him personally.
Yes, but I was eager to find Stanislav's killer. I helped Brother Maxwell live here among us.
You don't need to call me brother anymore.
Oh, I think I might use it in the foreseeable future.
You brought an impostor into God's house.
I was determined to find the truth, Father. Stanislav deserved no less.
You have disobeyed me. You have disobeyed your vow.
Yes, and I truly beg your forgiveness.